let you know how we design the entire theme park, how the Define Art starts with your conceptual designing and theme park designing, that we collectively start our work with the client's input. Whatever the first meeting which we have done, we take all the notes about it, and then we do the brainstorming. All our technicians, art director, architect, interior designer, conceptual designer, myself, we all sit together, do the brainstorming and what kind of new thing which we have to get into the industry, which is people have not seen it, people are much excited, what kind of train it is going to be, or what is the weather, what is the material we have to use to which will sustain in that material, and what is the new concept that we can do. So the entire team, including the civil engineer and structural engineer, our molders, fiber technicians, everybody is involved in this first brainstorm meeting. What is the concept, how we are going to execute it, and what kind of weather it is. We take our notes and concepts on the whiteboard where we put up everything, and after that we go and sit with the conceptual artist. So conceptual artists will draw with the help of architects and all that, and after doing the conceptual designing and all that, then we get into the 3D printer. We take out small models in the 3D printer and look after it. Everybody is on the same page, they understand what has to be done. Then the process goes to the 3D artist and AutoCAD designer. Then they sit, they do the master planning, that where how it has to become. We call it as a bubble planning also, where the basic concept of which area will be there, where the water park will be there, where the lazy river will be there, where the roller coasters will be there, what kind of concept and how it is going to be look at differently. After that concept is done, we take this entire concepts, a conceptual 3D models or a kind of walkthrough or something, which is a very basic conceptual. One or two options we show it to the client. After taking deep detail brief from the client and his team and all that, after his taking the creative inputs, then we again go on the drawing board where all his inputs are taken out, and then we put up all the marks, whatever suggestions are there, what is the suggestion from the local architect, or what do you say, permissions and objections are there, we implement into our concept, and then the master planning starts. When we do the master plannings, we finalize all our vendors because we require their technical drawings and all that. Once the vendors are finalized, right from water park slides to filtration people, civil engineers, structural engineers, we make the final plan, and then the good for construction drawing design starts. When this process starts, we simultaneously start with our 3D rendering and 3D animations, where you can see how this fabulous things look after. And this is the typical day 1 and day 2 work is being done to design this fabulous theme park.